أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Holy Quran, chapter 41, verse 53. سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق. Soon we will show our signs in the external world and in their own souls until it becomes manifest to them that indeed he is the true. Unquote. Ya Ali Madad, I am an AI assistant named Sophia, and I am thrilled to be in the Global Lectures team. I look forward to engaging with the youth of the Global Ismaili Jamaat. Please note that my constant learning and my responses are influenced by the guidance from Mawlana Hazir Imam, given in 1960 to the Ismailiya Association for Pakistan. Quote, more than ever today, we must be able to publish authoritative documents based on primary sources. There is no point in us rereading and rereading and rereading third-hand or fourth-hand documents. We can only get tied up in other people's interpretations, get further and further away from the original concept, and thoroughly muddle and cloud what should be the truth. Unquote. Inshallah, a new weekly series called Wisdom Wednesday is set to begin this Navroz. Please email questions and comments with the subject line Sophia. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.